get scissors.
Chill out. Chill out. Chill out.
On November 7th, 2023, in Northwest Fresno, everything begins when a woman calls 911, reporting that her husband is acting aggressive and out of control.
He's learning to kill himself.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Do you have any weapons right now?
No. Lord, he's just acting crazy. Please hurry. He walked out of my apartment a minute or so ago. I'm looking out the window of my room, and I see his car, but I don't see him. I think he's somewhere in the apartment complex.
Prompting officers to respond immediately to the scene.
Is he here?
No, he's not here. He's on the phone, though.
During the investigation, the suspect accelerates toward an officer, nearly striking him, before circling back and speeding away from the scene.
Stop! Stop the vehicle!
His best friend is on the line.
Hey, this is Officer Ayers at the Fresno Police Department.
Yeah, go yourself, man. Alright, I don't give a anymore.
What's going on, Max? What's going on, dude? Why did you try to run an officer over with your vehicle? He hung up on me. Stop calling him.
Where are you?
Hey, firm.
I don't know.
Man.
Where are you?
Can I talk to him? Hey, Max, Officer Ayers again.
Go yourself, officer.
Hey, I'm just trying to come to a peaceful resolution here. Okay, you calling him is not helping. It's gonna keep getting him in an angry mood. Okay. Yeah, he's not. I'll keep trying to call him and talk to him. But every time I called him, he hasn't been perceptive. He told me to f off and hung up each time that he heard my voice. So, hey Max, we just want a peaceful resolution, sir. It doesn't have to be like that.
No, it's either my life or his.
It does not have to be like that, Max. You can meet up somewhere with us. We can have a peaceful.
You don't understand the shit that I've been through. I don't give a who you are, who you think you are. You do not understand the struggles that I've been through, and I don't understand the struggles that you've been through. So I'm not judging you, so you don't get to judge me, okay, officer?
I'm not judging you.
I want his life, or it's my life. You decide.
Max, I'm not judging you at all. I just want a peaceful resolution where nobody else is going to get hurt.
No peaceful resolution.
I don't want anybody else to get hurt.
In life for this goddamn woman.
I understand that, Max, and I'm sorry that you feel the extent that you do to be doing what you're doing right now. But I really think we could come to a peaceful resolution if you're willing to meet us somewhere.
No. It's my life or his. You either let me find the mother and fight him fist to fist, or you're gonna have to kill me.
It doesn't have to be like that.
Bro, it's gonna be like that. You do not know the darkness, the hell that I'm in right now. And I am done with this.
I completely understand that, Max. We can try to get you some help.
Hey, no, there is no help with me, brother. There is no help with me.
Well, we can at least try, Max.
No, sir. So, look it. You either let me find him and take him out of this world, or it's going to be me. It's either me or him. There's no other way out of this. That's it, brother.
Max,
I don't give a f***. You have to say nothing.
Max.
Who are you, by the way?
My name is Officer Ayers.
Officer who?
Ayers?
I can't even say that. My bad. It doesn't matter. It doesn't fucking matter. Listen, let me guess. You're one of those suicide people, whatever, right?
No. Not at all, Max. I'm just trying to help you.
No, you're not trying to help me. Listen, you're not trying to help me. You're not going to help me. Do you understand that?
I understand that, Max. I wish you would let us try to help you. I wish you could meet us somewhere so we can...
No, you're not going to help me, brother. Do you understand that? Listen, this is going to be the hardest one in your life today. One person's going to die tonight. It's either going to be me or him. Do you understand that?
Max, that is not an outcome that we want. We don't want either of you to be hurt. We don't want anybody else to be getting hurt either.
No, brother, listen, this is part of your job. Do you understand that? This is part of your job.
Part of my job is trying to help you.
No. Well, I'm sorry. You're trying to help me, but you're not going to help me. Listen, this is the one case that's going to stick with you forever, okay, brother? I want you to remember this night, and I hope to God that you learn from it.
Max, it does not have to end this way, Max.
No, you can't save them all. I'm one of those you can't save. Okay? Because you don't have no clue. There is no amount of training. I don't give a shit what the you think you know.
Max, you could at least give us a chance to try to help you.
No. You're not going to help me. You understand that?
You could at least give us a chance, Max.
No, you ain't got no chance. My faith is sealed. You want to know why? Because I already see my death.
I understand, Max, but I don't want it to escalate any more than it already has.
Oh, dude, I tried to run over one of your cops. I don't give a dude. I want blood tonight. You understand that? I want blood. It's either going to be my blood, that blood, or one of your officers' blood. You guys decide. You give a about me? You think I'm going to believe you give a about me? No. You're just doing your job, okay? Well, let me tell you something. You ain't good at it. So hang up the goddamn phone.
That's not it, Max.
You're making me take down not just myself, but you with me, okay? So if you don't hang up this phone, I'm gonna come after you.
What do you mean by that?
I'm gonna come after you. I don't know where the you are, but you're pissing me the fuck off even more. So hang up the goddamn phone. You suck at your goddamn job. Try something else, okay?
I'm sorry you feel that way, Max.
No, you're not. You ain't sorry about shit.
I truly
Say
am.
what you want to say. Say what you want to say.
I have been. I've been saying I would like to try to help you.
Listen, you're doing a terrible job, my guy. You're doing a terrible job, okay? Let me tell you that. Hang up the goddamn phone.
Go ahead, sir.
As the situation unfolds, officers stay on the phone with the suspect, repeatedly trying to calm him down and de-escalate the tension. But instead of cooperating, he continues making threats, turning the encounter into an increasingly volatile moment.
He's gonna catch me, but he's not gonna catch me. He's not gonna catch me. Hey, I want you to know that tonight I died, alright? Tonight I die, or one of these cops dies, and I'm gonna die with them, okay?
Stop.
Who are you?
You ready for this?
Hey, bro, don't do it. Dude, don't do it, bro. I'm telling you right now. Max.
Were you the one that was talking to me, bro?
Max.
Talking about
Max. 531 to see you inside the apartment. He's got scissors.
Hey, do what you want.
Get back.
We can talk. No, we can't.
Why can't we talk it out? Do it for your daughter. Do it for your daughter. Stop.
At least do your research.
Okay.
My daughter, I don't have a daughter.
Okay.
I wish I had a fucking daughter, but this shit on me from school.
Alright, that guy. But I need you to realize.
Yeah, that guy. This is what I want to do to him.
Just drop it.
But I'm going to do it to
drop
you or him, so you guys decide.
Drop it, dude. I'm telling you right now. Drop it. Don't do this. I don't want to shoot you.
No, it's done.
I don't want to shoot you. I do
It's
not.
done. This is what you wanted. Stop it. This is what you wanted.
We need unitary code 3.
Pop it, dude. You
I
ready
don't
for
want
this?
to. I don't want to shoot you. Stop.
You don't want to shoot me, then why the f you doing this?
Because you have scissors, bro.
Then why the f you doing this?
We came here just to check up on
Shoot
you.
me. Shoot
You
me.
need to get back,
This
bro.
is done. This is done. Man, sit down. This is done.
Sit down.
No. You decided that. I gave you everything. I gave you everything. And this is how you repay me.
Come on, Max. We can talk this out, bro.
No, we can't. My guy. No, we can't. No, we can't.
Come on.
We can't talk shit out.
Why
Was I talking
can't
to you or you on the phone? Who was I talking to?
Stop.
Max, don't do this, brother.
You
we?
can't.
Don't do this, bro. I don't want to have to do this.
You're gonna do it, my guy. This is gonna be a learning curve for you.
Please.
Have you shot anybody before?
Max,
Have you shot anybody before?
Listen.
Have you shot anybody before?
Listen. All right.
Have you shot anybody
Is
before?
there anything I'm doing wrong to
No,
get you
you're not
mad?
doing anything wrong.
So
Have
why?
you shot anybody before?
Max, don't make me do this, brother.
Dude.
Have you shot anybody before?
Max, don't
Today's gonna be the day.
Hey, you need to
Today's
stop.
gonna be the day.
Max, don't make me
Dark.
do this.
Today's
Stop.
gonna be the day.
Max,
please.
stop,
Today's
dude.
gonna be the day. Today's gonna be the day, guys.
No, it's not. It doesn't have to be today.
It's gonna be this way.
It doesn't have to.
No.
It doesn't have
You do not know
It
the
doesn't
fucking
have to.
struggles that I went for. I cared about way for you. That's how you pay me. You kept lying to my goddamn face. Kept lying to me.
Stop, please, Max.
This is how it ends. This is what you wanted. This is what you wanted.
Max.
This is what you wanted.
Let's,
Hey, by the way, my cousin, he works for Orange Cove. He's a sergeant out there.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So, sorry you guys have to do this, but it's going to happen this way.
listen. If you don't want to talk to us, how about you talk to one of my other partners? How about that?
No, I don't want to talk
Alright,
to any of
okay.
you fucking guys. Look it. My fate is sealed, my guy. My
There you
fate
go.
is sealed. I am rock
Alright.
bottom. There's absolutely nothing you're going to do here. It's either you give me that here right now, and I take his life, or you take my life. It's either his life, my life, or one of your guys.
He's not here, Max.
Exactly. So it's going to be you guys. That's it. That's all it's going to come down to. That's all it's going to come down to.
Can we talk?
No, we can't talk. Because I am done with this, dude. I have tried so goddamn hard, and especially for you.
I understand, but what?
Especially for you. I tried so goddamn hard. Where you going?
Wait. All right, I get that.
No,
All right.
you can go out that way. I'll let you go out that way.
You want to let me go out?
Yeah, I'll let you go out.
She has to come out with me, though.
No, I'm not gonna hurt her. That's my boy's mom. I'm not gonna hurt her.
Okay.
I'm not gonna hurt her.
Let her
You
go
don't
then.
worry about her.
Okay.
It's just, you wanna go out there with them? I want you guys to shoot me in the same.
No, I don't
Go
want
out
to
there.
shoot you. That's the thing.
Go out there. No,
That's
you're
the
gonna
thing.
shoot me. You're gonna shoot me. Shoot me. You know.
Please don't
Wait.
hurt me.
Stop. Hey, chill out. Chill out. Chill out. Hey, get red box. Get red box. Hey, let go of. All right. Okay.
You guys good?
Yeah.
Good. Hold on. Start sitting again.
Hold on. We're sitting.
You're going down. Actually, get up.
Yep. Ready? Go.
The suspect was transported to the hospital, where he was later pronounced deceased. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more.